purple section all right here. And I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but we're gonna make it work. I literally used every single color. Hi everybody. So we are in the last part of my rainbow makeup series, the 6th part. And we are finally using my ColourPop Fade into Hue purple section all right here. So I'm really excited about this. I want to go fluffy, I want to go bold, and majority of these colors, you know, they go from a really light shades of purple with shine to deep bold purple. So let's give it a go. Let's get our royal purple on. And first thing I'm gonna do, as always, is I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty in 300. Just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender. I'm just putting a lot of focus on my under eye area because that's where I have the most trouble. So now that my foundation is on, because we are focusing more on my eyes and the eyeshadow, I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base, and I'm only going to take a little bit of this, and I'm just going to put it right on my eyelid, mainly. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, let's go in with the color. And the reason why I want to do the color first is because if I mess up or if any eyeshadow falls, I could just brush it away or cover it up, which of course helps. Now, since I'm deciding to do like a fluffy, bold eye, just all over eye, I'm going to just use this palette, and I'm going to try to use everything in here. So I'm going to start off with something a bit light. I'm going to start off with Selfie. And I'm just going to pop that kind of on the eyelid. And I'm just coating my entire eyelid because we'll do the shadows and the blending as we go, but I just want to make sure that foundation is right in there, okay? Now from here, we're going to kind of darken the outside of it. So I'm going to take my Zygest, just going to take a little bit, and I'm going to go right in that outer corner. Okay, so now we have like a nice little fade out, and that purple is just nice and beautiful, and we're actually going from light to dark, which helps. After that, I do want to kind of tackle the under eye, and we're gonna go into Majestic right here. We're just gonna go right in this under eye area. And I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but we're gonna make it work. And I kind of always tell myself makeup looks crazy until you get your eyeliner and mascara on. Then you look good. Or lashes. Sometimes lashes does it all. Okay. And we're gonna actually bring that in and make it a little bit lighter with Nouveau. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some highlight with Express. And I'm just going to bring it like right on that inner corner. And I'm going to bring that in just like that. And I'm also going to add a drop right on my apple, just to add a little bit of shine. So right now it looks like I have a black eye on both, and it is beautifully done. It is beautifully done, but we're gonna make it pop with some eyeliner. This is my Stila eyeliner. We're just gonna go, I don't even think that's good. And now I'm gonna take my Stila Magnum XXX, and I'm just gonna and now for the touch-up part, which is the part where we make everything come together, come complete, because this eye actually doesn't look so bad. It kind of gives off this little smoky effect, but I do want to make it a little bit more precise there. So I'm going to take my Born This Way multi-use concealer. I'm gonna swipe. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Mocha. I don't like to make my nose too small because I think it's actually a really nice shape. And also sometimes when I see like really narrow noses, my first thought is, how do you breathe? Okay, and now from here, I am going to keep my makeup really, really simple. I am going to take my blush from my Tarte palette in Peaceful. And I'm going to take my Stark Naked. I'm gonna take some Vaseline. I'm just all over the place with my makeup routine right now. And last thing I'm gonna do is grab my highlighter. This is NARS Hot Sand Illuminator. And there you have it. This is my purple makeup look in my rainbow series. So as you can see, it's a nice like smoky eye purple. I literally used every single color in my Fade to Hue palette. Like I used Express, I used Selfie, Majestic, Novu, and Zygest. And I came up with this beautiful smoky eye. Everything blends really, really well, which I do appreciate. And if you do a purple makeup routine, or if you've used these colors from the Fade into Hue ColourPop palette, let me know what you did. Let me know how you use the colors, what you recommend, or even let me know about your own inspired purple looks, all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye!